Hey, Dirt Farmer Jay here from dirtfarmerjay.com. If your car sits out in the weather, and don't they all, then the vinyl's really gonna take a beating, the rubber surfaces and the plastic. Have we found the best darn plastic restorer yet? Stay tuned and I'll tell you about it. Hey, Dirt Farmer Jay here from dirtfarmerjay.com. If you're like us, you really enjoy your vehicle, but whether you keep it garaged or outside, sooner or later, the sun's rays, the UV and the UB in the sun rays is really going to take a toll on your vehicle's trim parts, whether it is rubber, vinyl, or plastic. And those surfaces will start to lose their luster, the deep coloration, they'll gray out. Well, recently, my mechanic friend, Patrick, who did a major engine rework in our truck, and did a beautiful job detailing. You can see the engine compartment here, just beautiful, clean, like new. When I asked him what the secret was, he pointed me to this product, Crystal Products GX-3 Plastic Restorer. Now I thought, come on, a spray-on, he says, this stuff is magic. And not only that, it's widely available. I found out that you could get it for around $5 or $6 a can of at all places at the local Walmart, but you can also go to buy Crystal Products, and Crystal is spelled C-R-I-S-T-A-L. There's no Y in it. Buy crystalproducts.com, and you can buy kit packs of this. Well, let's take a look and see if it really works well. We'll restore some trim on this truck right here, and let's see what you think as a result. All right, let's go ahead and restore this trim around the window. Now, one of the things we really like about this product, we found out, is that even when you spray it next to glass, it cleans off really well and buffs out. And you can actually see a test area right here, which is darker. The sheen is restored here, but we'll let you see it happen as we go along here. Some other products, and you may have used Armor All products, great product, but it tends to leave a film that's very hard to get off of glass surfaces. This doesn't. And it's also got aloe vera in it to actually help moisturize these. The formulation on the can says it's made in such a way that this will last through several car washings as well before you need to treat again. Well, let's go ahead and see how it works here. We're going to go ahead and shake it up, and we're going to go ahead and put it on. Now, I'm going to do it two different ways. One, I'm going to use a standard foam applicator like this. It's a foam inside with terry on the outside. Or we'll just do a direct spray and then wipe it down. Let's see what we get. All right, let's do this section right along here. We're just gonna spray this on, just like that. Let it set for a few minutes. And then I'm just gonna use this terry applicator and we'll start rubbing it to see what we get here. Well, as you can see, it's darkened up significantly, and there is a nice sheen on it. Now, one of the things we found out is if you want just a moderate sheen like this, you do it once. But if you want a deeper color and you want to have a higher sheen, we'll wait about 15 minutes. We'll come back and spray it again. As you can see, it's taking off a lot of the old gray items on there. So this is really starting to shine up nicely. And there is no, I'm just going to take a regular terry. I don't see any film on the glass here. When I do that, there is nothing that I'm looking at here where all of a sudden they see a smear line. So this is really fast. Let's go ahead and continue up here. I'm going to try an indirect method on this time. I'm going to go ahead and spray it right there into the applicator. I'm going to wipe it on. Again, you can see more of the material coming off, and I'm going to buff the glass. Wow, look at that. And it feels nice. There's a nice kind of feel to this. So to see the difference between the two, let's take a look right up there. You can see where it goes around. That's where I stopped, and you can see where it's grayer. One of the areas that we would like to show you, however the lighting won't allow us to do so, is the deck that's right outside the windshield where the windshield wipers posts come through. That gets a lot of sun beat, And by applying this on there, you can really protect that, darken it down, and restore it to its original dark and shiny luster. Well, you can buy this product at your local retailer, Walmart, or you can go online again, as what we said earlier, by crystalproducts.com and order packs right there. We think you're gonna like it. Give it a shot. According to Patrick, my friend, he says it's great and it lasts a long time. Since you take care of your own car, there's probably another thing that from time to time bugs you, and that is when you get a low tire pressure light from your TPMS, your tire pressure monitoring system. Check out this video where we tell you how to solve that and how to walk through and getting that reset. You'll find that to be very, very useful. And while you're at it, check out this other video that we created just for you and that YouTube thinks is your interest. Hey, until the next time, this is Dirt Farmer Jay from Dirt Farmer Jay, enjoying a shiny new truck.